To make sptäzle, first gather your mise en place. To start, add the water to the egg replacer and whisk to combine. Then combine together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Using a wooden spoon, mix to combine the ingredients. If desired, add some freshly ground nutmeg. Next, add the egg replacer and the non-dairy milk. Mix to combine the ingredients. Once the liquid has been incorporated, vigorously whip the dough to develop the gluten. If the dough seems a bit too thick, add a bit more liquid and continue to whip. This is the consistency that you're looking for. To cook the dumplings, place a sptäzle maker over a pot of gently boiling water. Pour some of the dough onto the surface and then using a scraper, press the dough through the holes like this. Once done, stir to ensure the dumplings are not sticking. Let the dumplings cook for a few minutes or until cooked through. When done, the dumplings should have all floated to the surface. Drain and remove any excess liquid. If desired, the sptäzle can be served as is with a bit of non-dairy butter and seasoning, or they can be pan-fried. To pan-fry sptäzle, heat a non-stick fry pan over medium-high to high heat and add some non-dairy butter. Once melted, add the dumplings and toss to coat them in the butter. Let the dumplings fry for a few minutes or until they are golden and starting to crisp on the outside. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. If the sptäzle seem dry, add a touch more butter and continue to cook. Lastly, add fresh parsley and toss to combine. Serve the sptäzle as a side or serve as a main meal.